Have you got a child who is finding the process of blending sounds together tricky? Try our Segment-Reblend technique to get all children confidently blending in a matter of weeks. Step 1 is to ask the child to choose a word. Step 2 is to segment that word into its individual phonemes. Step 3 is to reblend those sounds together back into the original word. This might sound like football, f, t, b, or l, football, or sweets, s, u, e, t, s, sweets, or phonics, f, o, n, I, k, s, phonics. It sounds so simple, but the process of getting the child to segment the word and then reblend those sounds together really helps to build that skill of blending. The confidence is being built for the learner because they know the original word that they're trying to blend those sounds back into. So that blending step is made relatively easy. We recommend doing this with 5 words every day, and you'll start to see that change and the confidence in blending build in just a week or 2. Give it a go and see how you get on.